Hi kids. Green color, brown color, pink color, orange color, blue color, yellow color, red color, black color, sky blue color, green color. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. A. A is for apple. A is for apple. B. B is for ball. B is for ball. C. C is for cat. C is for cat. D. D is for dog. D is for dog. E. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. 1. 1. 2. 2. 3. 3. 4. 4. 5. 5. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.